take a picture of the ball.
Can I take a picture of the ball?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice ball.
Take a picture of this.
This?
The ball. That one.
What is this called?
The ball.
The ball?
Yeah.
That's a Yeah, I'll take a picture of this. Nice. A picture of the bat?
The ball. Drink where?
Where's Matthew?
Here.
Where? I can't see you. Where are you?
The ball.
What happened with the ball?
Over there. Over there.
You can't get it?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do now? The ball is stuck there.
Yeah.
What can we do now?
This is now.
Yeah?
That's it.
Are you gonna get it?
Yeah.
Oh, where is the ball?
Here.
Oh, can you get it? You got it?
Yeah.
Nice job. Where's Matthew?
Yeah.
Matthew? What do you like to do? What do you want to do?
The birthday.
What? What do you want to get?
Over like this.
You want to get another Hoover for your birthday?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you need the Hoover?
Not this over.
Not this one?
Not this one.
You want another one?
Yeah, not over.
Why do you need the Hoover?
Over like me.
Why do you need the Hoover, Matthew?
This all not over for like me.
So you can clean?
Over.
You want to clean?
Look. Take shower.
You want to take a shower?
Yeah.
You want the Hoover to take a shower?
No.
What the Hoover has to do with the shower?
The floor.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
This is Belchy one.
What? What happened, Matthew?
The backpack.
You gonna get the ball?
Over there.
Really?